Welcome back. Welcome back. Here I am inside of. I do not know what to get. I'm just gonna tell them hook me up. Give me the house specials. Give me the good stuff. Let's go. I'm only gonna get a small clip of it.
Are you by myself showing me what? I see it.
I think this is beef steamed dumpling.
Thật là you cài đấy, you cài đấy thì chúng ta lại rất say rồi.
This is the magic lady. This beef is amazing. These are well served. They put at least a whole shrimp. It might be two. Named the top 25 restaurant in London. Dim Sum Duck Cantonese cuisine. For the beef and the fried shrimp, top notch for real. I'm gonna bring one. This tastes like caldo. It tastes like soup. So I was told you must drink the soup first. So you go like this. It's so good. Like I said, it's like a caldo. Like a